Hey Kim, this one's just for you, just because I want to show you this one last thing. I know I'm totally geeking out on YouTube here, but I just want to, this one here. So the shorts are starting, it's going to be like one per day on my YouTube channel. So here, this one, and you'll see, like, there are, I do dozens per day. And so here, this one, I want to show you two things I do. So this one is manual labor, and I wish I knew an automated way to do it. Related videos. Remember, this is a short. Here, I'm going to show you the difference here. It's a big difference. So here, if I watch
What if
this,
you waited
okay,
33 years to
so
finally do
here,
this?
that's the short, right? And there's nowhere, well, kind of, I can click here and I get where? To my shorts channel.
What
I
if
click
you waited
here, I get
33
to
years
whatever
to finally
description,
do this?
but I can't get to the main video, which would be really nice, right? So watch this. So this is how that works. So in video details, related video, and then I have to go find, and manually I have to go find, it's this one. So now it's a related video, okay? Save. Now this same short, so remember there's this link sort of, and this, is that a link? So watch when I reload.
What, what if you waited 33?
Click. So now there's this link. And this one, click.
So I could see.
Now I get to the full thing. That's it. That's one thing. Is that the main thing? Yo, that's one thing. Another thing I wanted to show you is if you had a YouTube channel, I would go here, invite a collaborator, and I would search for you, and then I would invite you, and you would then have this short on your channel. That's it. That's what I want to show you. All right, so I got to save. I did that. Save that. So now this related short, there's a link that goes to the main video, and that really helps getting the shorts leading to the main videos. And as far as I know, it's the only way I know how to do it. All right, bye for now.